Hello, and welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Udy, and I go by UdyOnTheGlo here and on my other social media platforms. So make sure you subscribe to me here and follow me there. Go ahead, subscribe. I'll wait. Here on my channel, I share with you guys how I style myself, my home, my travels, and more. I haven't given you guys too many travels. We're gonna get to that. But today I am talking all about my Coach Pillow Tabby. If you're interested, please stay tuned. What my notes said, what my notes said. So as I'm pulling up my notes, how y'all been? What y'all been doing? How's your weekend? What did you get into? So my weekend, I spent at the Renaissance tour. Got my entire life. Atlanta showed up and showed out. But why wouldn't we? That's why we had 3 days. So much happened on those 3 days. But I knew it was something different in the water when I saw one of our buildings that said, "Welcome BTL." I feel like Beyonce showed up for us and we equally showed up for Beyonce. I enjoyed myself, I really did. So let's get into some of the reasons why I got this bag. For one, I've been wanting a piece from Coach for a minute. I still want something pebbled from them. I was looking at the Rogues. However, the original Rogue is like a 30-inch. I feel like that's the perfect size. However, it doesn't fit a laptop. Anyway, back to this bag. So I really wanted something from Coach. I enjoy the style and the size. So for the style, I feel like it's an easy, casual throw on. You throw it on and go about your business. And for the black and ivory colors, I've seen people dress those down and dress them up. And recently, I've been embracing the smaller bags. As long as it can fit my phone, keys, and maybe a lippy or something else, I'm good. It's good to go. It's not too small. I'm not on the nano bag train quite yet, maybe in the future. But like something small, cute, dainty, throw on, go about your thing. If anything, the original size was the Coach Pillow Tabby 26. And I feel like it's called 26 because that's the length in centimeters. I'm not entirely sure, but I know the Coach Tabby 18, when I at least try to like cross check and look it up, 18 centimeters is close to 7 inches. Anyway, with the original Coach Tabby 26, it is massive if you ever see it. Like, I know it popped off, but I feel like a lot of people got that bag don't always gravitate towards it. And I've heard that from people I know and even some of the sales associates. Like, they'll only wear it if they have a lot of stuff they want to carry because it is bulky. It can get in the way. So that's why I gravitated towards the smaller one. Now, ideally, if they made something between the 18 and 26, that would be heaven. Like, I feel like it's possible because the last time I was in Coach, I was talking to one of the reps. I feel like I was talking to Alex, the one in Atlanta, the location at Lennox. Shout out to Alex. I think it's Alex. He has silver here. Super, super nice. Super helpful. Sweet. Shout out to Alex. I think that's his name. He got silver here though. Anyway, when I was talking to him, he mentioned that this fall they're supposed to be rolling out a new tabby size, but like the regular tabby that's somewhere in between like a medium size. So I don't know, but it kind of gives me hope for the Pillow Tabby. You guys know already, I'm all about versatility and being able to wear one piece multiple ways. So another thing that I love about the style is that it comes in multiple straps. Another thing that had me hooked on this bag and I had to grab it while I could is the color. The color is amazing. Now, I blame Steph Mayers because when Steph Mayers showed her bag, she had the 26 in the Candid Orange. If you Google it, at least when I Google it, she's the first thing that comes up. Steph had me sold on this bag. Now, the issue with that bag was limited edition. It was limited edition, and when I talked to some of the associates, they were telling me that certain colors were only given to department stores here in the States. So certain colors Coach didn't even have. So once that bag was gone, it was gone. So I said, anytime that color comes back around, I'm not gonna play no games. I'm gonna go ahead and get it. And that's exactly what I did. Now I will say the orange that I have is slightly different from the Candid Orange that came out some years ago. So I would say the orange I have is more like on the red side. It's like a red orange. And I would say the Candid Orange is more of a yellow orange, orange yellow, whatever. It's more closer to like the color of this. I don't know if the camera is gonna like show a difference. They kind of look the same, but you see what I'm saying? You can kind of see it. It's a little different. Anyway, child. Anyway, then the other thing about the color, why I gravitated towards it so much is because I love a good orange. And we'll talk more about this later. But orange is really that color. If you don't have any orange in your closet, go get you some. I'm just saying. All right, so let's get into the details about this bag. It is a 7 1/4 by 4 by 2.5. So we round that up. It's basically a 7 by 4 by 3. It's made of Napa leather. The exact color that I have is the Sun Kissed Orange. Sorry, I always want to say Sun Kissed. The exact color I have is Sun Orange, and I have it with the brass hardware. On the website, it also mentions that you have leather lining on the inside. You also have a pocket in there, snap closure, yada, yada, yada. A great thing about it, this leads to the versatility. It comes with 2 straps. So you kind of have like a top handle strap, and then you have a crossbody strap that can also be worn as a shoulder strap. So with that, the shorter one is 4 inches and the longer one is up to 21.5 inches according to the website. With that, you can do top handle, shoulder, or crossbody carry. Now, one of the things I'm not too sure about, my bag didn't come with a dust bag, so I'm not sure if the smaller sizes come with a dust bag or if I was just missing. If you guys know, let me know. I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't, but if it did, I kind of want one, but I've had this bag for a while, so I don't know if I could get one. But I'm just curious, is it supposed to come with a dust bag or not? I just don't know. Now, I got mine directly from Coach, and I will say the packaging was cute, but it was a little unexpected. So this is the box it came in. It's not really a box, but it's more so like, you know, a fold over paper, but it was cute. So it came with like the, I thought you guys probably saw it in the intro, but it came with the ribbons tied up here, super cute. So yeah, I was expecting it to come like this, but I'm also not mad. I'm wondering if all the Tabby 18s come like this. You guys let me know. And it did come a little tossed up. So when I do get myself bags, I do like to like write a little personalized letter or whatever to myself. That, you know, that it was decent. It wasn't all that, but it was decent. But I will say when I got the bag, it was a little tossed up inside. I'm not gonna hold you. Now, when it comes to pricing, I would say this bag is on the affordable side because it's under $500. However, I got it for $395. But here's the thing. Here's the kicker. These bags tend to go on sale on the outlet or from other department stores around back to school time, around the holidays. And when they go on sale, they go on a deep sale. Like I think I've seen one as low as, it was like in the low 100s, if not below that. It was the ombre colors. I remember when those hit the outlet. So the thing about it is, I feel like it's already an affordable bag. However, if you're willing to wait, I would say wait it out till there's a sale. The caveat to that, if you have a color that is limited edition or something that is, what's the word, in high demand, you kind of run the risk of it being sold out, it being discontinued if it is limited edition. So, you know, pick and choose where you want to do that. If you're not too pressed, you could just wait around till you see some things on sale or on the outlet, whether from Coach directly or from other department stores. However, for me, I didn't want to run that risk. So I said, come on, shop my monies. Come shop my money. So when I got my bag, I got my bag a few months ago, and it was kind of like a birthday gift to myself. So I was able to add like a birthday discount on top. So I think I got 10 or 15% off. So that did a little something. Because you know, we love a good discount over here. I don't like full price. Now, when it comes to styling, of course I gotcha. Like, let me have you guys come closer, like come into my braid. I want to show you guys exactly what I was thinking when I saw this color. Now, hear me out. For one, I'm thinking color blocking. This orange, this orange against the yellow, what? I feel like that's what I want my thumbnail to be. I don't know what the thumbnail is gonna be quite yet, but I'm thinking like a yellow top with the orange bag. Ooh, that's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. And the reason it's gonna pop is because of analogous colors. If you guys watch my color blocking video, you would know that. I'm just saying. Now, another thing, it's something about that orange against green. I have no idea what the theory is behind that, but it worked. So around my birthday month, I do like to just go and like see what's in the stores, just window shop. So when I was doing that, I went in my nice little green number. I call it celery green. You guys will see that in a later video. But I call it celery green because I want to be extra, because why not? And when I went in looking, the way the orange popped against what I was wearing, it was like a match made in heaven. And when I was there at that time, the wristlet that they have, like the pebbled wristlet that they have, was relatively new. So I was comparing the size of the wristlet to the Pillow Tabby. Both of them hit with my outfit. It's something about that green and that orange. Another great combination is that pink and orange, like that fuchsia magenta pink. I would say that's also on the analogous side. Another way I would wear it is with a soft blue. When I say soft blue, I mean something like the top that I'm wearing now. Love this top. This has taken the place of my other oversized shirt. It's my favorite shirt. I thrifted this sometime earlier this year. It's super comfortable. Like this kind of blue with the orange. I'm sure y'all. Boom. I feel like the lights are probably a little bright, but you know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying, right? So there's that. Another thing you can do, if you have your neutral look, you can add that orange bag as a pop of color. Come on, come on, come on. And another thing I like doing, and also why I gravitate towards orange, in places where you can accessorize with things that are brown, like that cognac brown color, swap that out for something orange. It's gonna add a little bit of pop, it's gonna add a little bit of elevation, and for some people it might add a little bit of unexpected. I love doing that because it just adds a little something. So I feel like I've said that before. If you didn't know, now you know. In the case that you have something brown, like a brown accessory, see if you can swap something orange and see if it will still hit. Just try it out. Just try it out and let me know if it worked for you. And last but not least, you can also do a monochrome look, orange on orange for days. Like, let's commit to the looks. Come on. And as I mentioned before, as far as styling, you have so many options when it comes to the different straps that come with this bag. When I was in the store trying to decide between the Pillow Tabby and the wristlet, because honestly, like I said, I want something pebbled from Coach, something in that pebbled leather. I was leaning more towards the wristlet at the time, but I noticed that the Pillow Tabby kind of held more, but that pebbled leather is I'm gonna get me something pebbled eventually. I'll let y'all know when I get it, but eventually I'm gonna get me something pebbled. So when I was trying them on, the associate was letting me know that I can actually turn this into a wristlet. So if you take this off and just hook it on the same side, what is this on my bag? It's like, boom, you got a wristlet. So, you know, it's something. I doubt I'll ever do this, but it's another option if you wanted to try it out. Let me put my thing back. So in summary, let's talk about the pros. For me, I appreciate these size options. If the 18 is too small, you have this 26, and fingers crossed that they come out with something in the middle as far as the Pillow Tabbies go. Second, the color options. I love this orange color, period, point blank. But they have so many other colors. So if you want to keep it to your staple colors, your staple pieces, you can get you a black, you can get you that ivory color as well. I'm forgetting what they call it. But they also have purples, greens, you name it, you can get it. So there is a wide range of colors to pick from. Third, I love the suppleness of this leather. It makes you want to squeeze it. It's literally like a pillow. So that was my other thing. I was like, if I have any pushback trying to get in this concert, I'm letting them know this is majority pillow. But it's just fun. It's the fun, squishy kind of bag. Okay, and then the other pro, as I've said before, are the different strap options you have. I feel like a lot of people are not giving you 2 straps to work with. So that is a pro. I don't know if I said it, but the long crossbody strap is actually adjustable. I have it around here somewhere. Now, cons. If I had to think of cons, you know, I gotta try hard. As far as cons go, I would say leather is definitely more delicate than like their pebbled leather. However, I kind of wear this bag as an errand bag or a quick throw on. And I'm not saying I'm beating my bags up, but I'm not also being super careful. I don't feel like I have to baby this bag, and it's been holding up fine. I don't have any scratches or anything like that, and I'm treating it like any old body. So I personally haven't run into issues with the leather. Second, as far as size goes, if you are someone who's used to bigger bags, like in terms of the 18, I want to say the 18 inch, the Tabby 18, you may need to go and get the Tabby 26 because everything is not going to fit in here. This is very essential, it's going to fit. But that's the thing, it's kind of like a pro because, like, again, if this is too small, you have the option to get something larger, or you can get a Tabby that's not a Pillow Tabby. So the options are there. A con for me could be the dust bags. So you guys got to let me know, is it supposed to come with a dust bag or not? Because if it's supposed to come with a dust bag and I didn't get one, that's a con. But even if it didn't come with it, like, it'll just be nice to have one. Now, I know like Coach Outlet does not give you dust bags. Like, you have to pay for those separate. Is it the same at the regular Coach store? I don't know. I don't know. Now, this is me being super, super extra. For people who like to have a back pocket on their bags, this does not come with a back pocket. If that is a deal breaker for you, then this might not be the bag for you. I don't feel like it necessarily has to have a back pocket. It's cute as is. And another extra, if you have to have feet on your bags, this bag does not have feet. I don't think that's a deal breaker. It's super small, it's super cute. It does, like, you know, roll over here and there, but that is the reality of it. So that's basically all I have to say about this bag. If you have your Pillow Tabby that's still going strong and you've been loving, let me know what size and what color you got down in the comments down below. But yeah, that's all I have. If you guys have any questions that I didn't answer, please also drop those down below. So I hope you guys found this video helpful or entertaining. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. And as always, keep telling a friend to tell a friend like telephone to also subscribe and join the fun. But yeah, that's all I have for today. So until next time, bye guys.